Well, hello, Editing Stacy here. I just realized that you guys did not get a proper intro to this video. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel, to all of my existing subscribers. And to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. All right, well, I thought I was recording opening the box and yeah, it didn't record. So I'm not gonna simulate opening the box. Don't ask me what happened, but whatever. All right, the these Jordans came in the white Jordan box with a gold Jumpman in the middle. The tag reads Women's Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Utility. Colorway is black, white, and gem red. Now, let's see, here's what the inside of the box looks like with the 23 paper. And all right, let's go ahead. Let's open this box again. And the pictures did not do me wrong. This is the Jordan 1 Mid Utility, black, white, and gem red. Here it is all in its glory. I'm gonna let you guys see the front of the shoe. See the outside where you can see the wings and the back. All right, let me go ahead. Let me pull the other shoe out of the box and we'll go over the colorway. No big deal. You know what? Actually, I think I was gonna kind of switch up the format anyway and stop doing unboxings, because I don't know if y'all are digging the unboxing format. Let me know what y'all think, but you know, it's whatever. It's all new to me. Well, the shoes are, at least. All right, here's the shoes right here from the front. Here they are from the insides, the backs, and here's the outside of both shoes. Turn that way. There we go. And we're going to pull that left shoe out because we are lefties in this house. All right. Let's see. White is the predominant color actually is the black on this shoe, with the black on the toe cap, all around the top and around the swoosh. The white is all of, like, the outline of the shoe along with the shoestrings. The gem red is on the bottom and on the wings. On the back, you got a little buckle here. And I wonder what this buckle is supposed to be for. I don't know. You got the tongue in white with the Jumpman and Air in black. Let's see what the... let's pull this out. If I can get the... There we go. Get the little thingy out of here. Oh, and the sock liner is in black. If you can see in there, we got a red Jumpman in the foot of the shoe. This did not come with another pair of shoestrings. It only came with a white string. I kind of wish it came with a black and a red string. I think that would have been cool. You can kind of switch up the style and throw a red string on it. If I have an extra pair of red strings, I may just switch it up myself and do that. I kind of wish that they did not lace these up and they could have let me do it on my own, but no big deal. I can do it myself. You know, I can do that on my own. But when I do the fashions, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit more of a close-up, because these shoes have a pinstripe in them. Let me see if I can get in, if you guys can see that. Let that focus in. Yep, you can see there's a pinstripe all throughout the shoe. You can see it's kind of gives me suit vibes. Something to think about when styling these up. So let's go ahead. Let's get over to the fashions. See how I style these shoes. And we'll be back to close it out. Okay, for the first outfit, I went with this baseball jacket I got in the men's section at Target. The black sweater is also from Target. I love this sweater. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's just right. Cargo pants, cargo camo pants, I picked up from, I want to say Pretty Little Things. It's either there or Misguided. Only time I've ever shopped at either store, it was this pant. Anyway, shoe, as you all know, is the Jordan 1 Utility Q. For the bag, I went with the Coach Rogue Tote with my Rexy charm on there. Let me move that handle so you guys can see the Rexy charm right there. I think I got that for Christmas from my mom. And because they all know I'm a Rexy fan. I think Rexy's cute. Anyway. But yeah, this is just a regular standard outfit I would wear to Target, Trader Joe's, you know, my standard Saturday run if I'm running the Lowe's real quick or anything. Just want to, you know, gotta make that run real quick. So let's get down on the floor so you guys can see the shoe up close so you guys can see all the variations with the fabric on the shoe. All right, here's the shoe up close so you guys can see a little bit more. I did not lace them this time. I just left them loose so I can just slide in and out of them. But as you guys can see up close on the shoe, the pattern on the shoe, who says patterning? The pattern on the shoe, it kind of gives you suit vibes, which I think is really cool. You got that red bottom on the bottom. No, these aren't Louboutins, but they give you that red bottom love. So you can see like on the black and the white of the shoe, they have the striping on it. And on the back, you have a little hook, which I don't know why there's a hook on the back, but hey, whatever. They put a hook on the back of them. But these shoes, they're a typical Jordan. They're comfortable to me. I like that they're easy to style. You can put them on with anything. You can do all black, all white. You could put on monochrome and just be done with it, and this will be the pop. It's a great shoe to wear. It's an easy shoe to wear if you want to lace them up. I kind of wish they gave us an extra pair of laces, like a black lace or even a red lace would have been cool with these. It just would have been nice to have a little bit more variety. In the mids, they don't give us an extra lace. Why, I do not know, and I need somebody to help me out on that. So, but yeah, this is the first look in the Jordan 1 Utilities. Okay, with the first look, I went very monochromatic, black and white all the way down. The red is going to be the pop of color on the bottom of the shoe. Let's see, I went with this oversized blazer from Target. The hooded white sweater is from the Gap. The quilted joggers are from the Sandy Lang collection. Target had a capsule collection. I think it was like last year. I was able to pick these up. And they're a light quilted jogger. For the bag, I went with the MCM graffiti bag. And I'm not going to go into, this is, you know, This is my regular uniform. This is my regular outfit, a regular Stacy outfit. The jacket may change. I may put on the baseball jacket instead, or I have a bomber jacket I may throw on instead that's also quilted, but they didn't come together. So I just want to show you all a full monochromatic look with this. The last outfit, you had the green camo with it, but this time I just wanted to do your pops, so you're going to be your silver and your red on the bottom of the shoe. But I just want to be monochromatic, make it simple, make it easy. You know, some of us like to be a little easy with our dressing. So one more time, let's get down on the floor so you guys can see the shoe one more time, and then we'll go back to past me, and you guys can, we can finish the video. All right, here's the shoe up close one more time. I'm gonna get in a little bit closer so you can see the red wings. You can also see a little bit more of the striping on the shoe. Like I said, it's a typical Jordan for me. They're comfortable, they're easy to put on, and I did not tie my laces. I actually left them loose so I can just slip in and out of the shoe. As you can actually see the quilting on the pant against the stripe on the shoe, which is really cool. I wanted to play with some texture also and fabrics. These pants are a nylon, and then you have the canvas of the shoe. And yeah, like I said, this is a very comfortable shoe, and I believe they are still in stock. I have a link in the description box. Hopefully it's still a good link. And yeah, this is the Jordan 1 Mid Utility. All right, I hope you guys like the way I styled these Jordans for you guys. Black and white is pretty easy. I like to throw red on my black and white, even though there's red in the shoe. So I like to throw that red, black, white, and red situation, or just black and white. Just keep it all monochrome, which is really cool. These are going to be an easy shoe to style. And I actually really like these. I liked them when I first saw them on the Nike site. There's a little dirt on there. Or is that glue? That might be glue. I don't know. But anyway. So yeah, when I first saw them on the Nike site, when I picked these up, of course, I have it written down. I nabbed these like the other day, literally the other day. Today is the 22nd of July. I picked these up on 2 days ago, on the 19th, on the Nike site. There are still sizes left. Links will be below. Let's go ahead. Let's flip these around one more time. Let's look at them, and we're going to get out of here. The shoe. All right, let's go with the outside of the shoe. You're going to see the gem red in the wings and also on the bottom. The white is going to be all around the midsole, and the outlines of the shoe is in white along with the strings and the tongue and the back cap here. Your black is going to be on the toe and all around the top and around the swoosh. On the back there is a little hook. I guess you can hook something onto it. I don't know. Or you can, you know, kind of leave them like this, and I don't know, maybe for a display. I don't know. But these would be a really cute shoe to display if I displayed any of my shoes. Well, behind the camera there's a display of 4 shoes, so but you know, they have those displayed that they're like floating, and the shoe is suspended in the air. It's pretty cool. Don't know if I'm gonna get it. That's like about $200-300, I think, and I have nowhere to put it because I have the turntable. But anyway, hope you guys liked everything. I have all links below. I actually found all the links early. All links will be below for you in this video. Oh, I forgot to talk about the tongue. The tongue is in white with the Nike, with the Jumpman and the word air in black. Your inside of the shoe, inside of the shoe is going to be black with the red Jumpman. You probably can't see it because it's black. But anyway, let me get out of here. I'm all jumbled up and I need to eat dinner. Yes, I eat early. I'm like an early bird. I'm an old lady. Anyway, if you guys like videos like this and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free to everyone involved, including myself. Also, if you guys want to read something, head over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net, where I talk about everything from shoes, handbags, home decor, marketing, music, whatever is on my mind at the moment. That is it. I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta shoot a thumbnail. I have some salmon to eat, and that is it. Love, peace, hair products, lifestyle, and all that stuff. Bye.